So welcome to class 3 English class. So the chapter we have been reading is the Magic Garden. And in our previous classes we have already completed reading the text and we have started to solve the questions that follow the text. So let us start solving the rest of the questions. So we have already completed solving these questions in the portion reading is fun. And now it's talk time. Let us read the poem here. Roses. Let us read the poem. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. So let us look at the pictures here. As in this poem it is stated, most roses are red. So here you can see the picture of red roses. Next line. Some are white. So in this picture you can see a white rose. Some are yellow. Here in this picture you can see yellow roses. And in the next line what is stated? Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. Then why this picture? Yes, it is a blue rose. But you know there is no blue roses in nature. So it means that you will not find any blue roses in any garden. Actually, blue roses are created dyeing white roses, which means white roses are colored through a process. Understood? Okay, next. Next one is say aloud. So let us read these words. Little people, purple, happily, sleepily, proudly, slippery, thirsty, pretty. Next. Now it's team time. There is an activity you have to do. So now let us read the instructions first. What is written here? Make a flower scrapbook. So you have to make a flower scrapbook. How we will do it? Now let us read the instructions one by one. First, collect 5 flowers. So what you have to do? You have to collect 5 flowers. Here I will see you some flowers I have collected. Suppose these are flowers I have collected, and in the same way you have to collect 5 flowers. Next, what you have to do? Read instruction number 2. Put each flower carefully between the pages of an old book. So you have to take an old book and you have to put these flowers between the pages. So you will keep the flower in this way. Okay. Next, read the instruction number 3. Place some heavy books on top of the old books. So this is the old book where I have kept some flowers, and I have to take some other books and some heavy books, and I have to place those heavy books on the top of the old books. So This way you have to keep the old book. Next, what is written? Leave it for some days. So you will have to leave the book for some days. And next, question number 4. After some days, you have to take that flower out from the book. So just suppose you have just take it out from the book, and what is written? Stick the pressed flowers carefully in your scrapbook. And what you have to do? You have to press these flowers in your scrapbook. And next, what is written? Write the name of each flower. So you have collected 5 flowers, and you will stick all those 5 flowers in your scrapbook, and you will write the name of each flower. So this is your activity you have to do, and hopefully I hope you will do your home. And that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.